Here at Sweet Carol Swine BBQ, we're bringing something new to the table.
That's right, with our rubs loaded with real fruit and a special blend of northern spices melt to create a wonderful glaze on anything that you are cooking.
Whether you're a hunter looking to sweeten your game or the family cook looking to spice up dinner time, we have a range of items for you.
With our unique rubs, anyone can cook, grill, and smoke like a Yankee.
You can find Sweet Carol Swine products at Palmer's Direct to You Market.
Try them today!